Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So today I have come with a new topic, aquatic plants. So previously we learned about terrestrial plants, the plants that grow on land. Today we will learn about aquatic plants. What are aquatic plants? Aquatic plants are the plants that grow in water. There are three types of aquatic plants. First one is the fixed plants. Then the underwater plants, and then we have the floating plants. So today we will learn floating plants and fixed plants. So first let's learn floating plants. Floating plants, they float on water. They float with the water current. They float because their stems are light and spongy. If we are light only, then only we will be able to float on the water. So their light and spongy stems help them to float on the water, and their roots are not connected to the bottom of the pond or the water source. So they float with the current of the water. Examples are duckweed and water hyacinth. So if they ask you examples for floating plants, you can tell duckweed or water hyacinth. So let's just revise what are floating plants. These plants have light and spongy stems and float on the surface of water. Okay, now the next topic is fixed plants. What are fixed plants? Their roots, let's learn the properties of the fixed plants. Their roots are fixed to the bottom of the water source, pond, lake, whatever it is. Their roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond, that is the muddy soil. So they can't move, their roots are fixed. Then they have thin, long and hollow stems to reach the surface of the water. So they have to reach the if they have to reach the surface of the water, they need thin, long stems, right? So they have thin, long and hollow stems. For what they have? Yeah, to reach the surface of the water. Then they have broad and flat leaves. So their leaves are in a plate shape. Look at these pictures. They are in a plate shape, isn't it? Their leaves are broad and flat in a plate shape. Then their leaves are having a waxy coating to prevent them from rotting. They will have a waxy coating to prevent the leaves from rotting. Examples are water lily and lotus. The national flower of India, lotus, is also a fixed plant. So now let's just revise fixed plants. They have roots which are fixed to the bottom of the pond. Have thin, long and hollow stems to reach the surface of the water. Have broad and flat leaves. Have a waxy coating on the leaves to prevent them from rotting. So now a quick fact. I will give you a fact. The stem of the lotus, also known as kamal kakri, is actually eaten as a vegetable too. So in exams and all, they will ask you, the stem of the lotus is known as, what will you write? Yeah, kamal kakri. So hope you all understood these small topics. Bye till I come with another video.